Okay, listen up. There's a new ratchet strap in the game, and I've been evangelizing about these straps to everybody. I can't speak highly enough about them. So let's just start with what currently ratchet straps are like. This was what was in my truck before, truly a bag of just a rat's nest of straps and bungee cords. And honestly, somehow I would get anxious every time I knew I had to use these because I'd end up like cutting my fingers, or it would fall off on one side and I would get to the other side, and I hated using straps. Not anymore. Rhino USA just came out with these straps. My brother got a set and he's like, you need to try these. I build tree forts for a living. I know that sounds like a made up thing, but I actually do. So I need to use straps a lot as it is. So I picked up a set of 4. Game changer. Here's how they work. You pull out the strap like so. It stays, clip it on said hook, and then when you want to tighten it up, that easy. Obviously, once it's open, you then can ratchet it down. So not only is it really simple, stress-free, no tangles, they also have these clips on the end so they don't fall off when you get to the other side to clip on the other hook. I mean, there's no cons that I've found yet. I'm not just trying to promote or sell this thing. And I'll show you a quick, how to just strapping something onto my truck real quick. Before I do, and I know I said I'm not selling this, but this is how I continue this YouTube channel. If you want to purchase one, only if you think this is good for you, there's a link below. Use that link. It helps me make more videos like this. Okay, check this out. You might need to strap a chair down in the back of your truck. So what I'm gonna do, hook this right here. I'm gonna simply just drag this over to my other side, clip it on, and then I have this little bit of extra slack here. I push the green button, tightens it up, and then I can ratchet it down. I mean, so much simpler than previous ratchet straps. Everything, even the most simple products continue to evolve, and this one, I mean, way to go, Rhino USA. Simple, quick, easy test review for this product. Big fan. They come in packs of 4 with a little bag and some extra straps as well. Again, if you want the product, link is below. It helps me keep making videos like this. Thanks so much, guys. Until next time, peace.